Good. I'm calling because I'd like to know if you guys managed to finish the parking lot by the time you needed it done. Boss is here.
Another fucking day ahead of us. 5 a.m. Gonna start sweeping. Emergency call us. Love it. Cat's at the shop when we start, so I just put the big broom on that. What?
All right, so it's about 6:15 right now. They're like almost halfway. It looks like. I do want to see if I can get in the vehicle with Neil, and we'll see. We'll see. I really am curious to see how it goes for him. So yeah, hopefully he did say it yesterday, and I mean there is an extra seat, so we'll find out. Let's see.
Watch over that fire extinguisher.
Let's boogie.
Fuck.
There's no.
Did you listen to Jesse Burke's new album? Fucking fire.
Not yet.
A whole lot of back and forth.
Why do you have to do the lot at 5 in the morning?
Well, it's a dealership, so it would have got to been done on evening or early morning.
So you opted early, yeah?
Yeah, they called us yesterday. Property maintenance company called us yesterday, needing it done for, of course, the next day. So I guess they have a big sale or something today, so they needed it cleaned up for Saturday. So Friday morning, 5 a.m. What you gotta do. Can't affect the rest of our day. We obviously have enough stuff lined up during the week. So, and just slide things aside for a 2-hour job. Checks. And then...
Oh, they have to come in.
Yeah, they have to come in. We don't put the check out right first thing in the morning. We wait, like,
Oh yeah.
myself or one of the other
3 in the afternoon on a Friday.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Because they just won't work all day or whatever. day after payday, half the guys are everywhere.
Think you'll get it done in time?
Won't be done. We got another 20 minutes and she'll be swept. They're almost done with the tunnel turbine. A lot of sand down there though.
There's a lot.
Pile of snow melted down there in the city. So, a little more than I expected, but that's alright.
You ever worry a rock's gonna hit a car?
With this pickup broom, no. The angled broom, I just try and stay away if I can. Like, we're never angling them towards cars. So, try to avoid it. Might get a straight one, but they tend not to fly too far. They do get dusty normally.
Yeah, this doesn't seem too bad for dust though.
Oh, there's
I
no
guess
dust
it's-
today after all that rain. The
All
sand's
the
just
rain.
so saturated. So, it just makes it more difficult to sweep when it's wet. Sloppy.
So I actually had to leave at about just after 7 to go to work and start my workday. Now, I don't actually know what happened or if they managed to finish by 7:30 when the rest of their work day starts and when the lot needed to be cleaned by. So don't worry, we will get an answer. Let's find out. I'm going to call them right now. All right.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice messaging system.
Well, that was anticlimactic. Oh, so look who's calling me back. Morning, not so bad.
Hey, how are you?
Good, and you?
Not bad.
Good. I'm calling because I'd like to know if you guys managed to finish the parking lot by the time you needed it done.
Yeah, no, we wrapped up. We were just to stay on time, leaving the parking lot, and we were able to get out of there in good time. Business wasn't open. We were gone when we needed to be, so it was perfect.
Right on. Well, there you have it.
A little bit more sand than expected, but we were able to work with it, so.